Ebuka, of your own free choice, will you take Soto to be your lawfully wedded wife? I will. Soto, of your own free choice, will you take Ebuka to be your lawfully wedded husband?
Have you ever sat down to wonder what happens between two people before they say I do?
I started having a crush on him when I was 14. That was, I think, my JS3. He used to come to our house. I was like,
I was 18 years old, still little then, but I was admiring her.
I started with a crush. I said crush, he was my brother's best friend. It's quite a shame that my brother is not here.
I always come to their house because of her. When I come there, I'll ask my friend, oh, is your younger sister there? He'll be like, why you ask me that? I was like, oh no, just wanna, because we always like to play games.
We dated in secret. His other friends knew, but my brother no. So
we started liking ourselves without anybody knowing about it. It was a secret love. I decided that, why not to, keep this, forever. But how would I, convince their family as a young boy?
he told me he was traveling and it was kind of like a blow. So, but he told me he would come back for me, and I was like, I didn't really take it all serious.
The day I told her that I was about to travel, time she didn't believe it. She was just laughing. She was like, hell no. So we reconnected again, luckily, through Facebook.
We kept in touch, communicated. I was just the one pushing me away, but at a point in time, I realized that, and all these days, he was just the only one that really fit in to what I crave in a man. So when he popped the question, I had no choice. I had to say yes.
I'm going to end the journey with her. So why not make that bold step to her?
It's a good thing that now he's back, So all the friends, none of them was able to penetrate. None.
What are the pet names you call her?
Oh, it's my sugar licky.
She's the first lady that I met in my life, and she's the lady that I'm settling down with.
Similar, stepping out the place. She worldwide, sugar boy, yeah. Around the road, make them just you, make them raise the roof, make them just you, make them know the code. I know my name was you, with the girls them dance you. for them. Tell them say run for them. Sugar boy, give them the run. And we live for the party, for nobody. We live for the party. Oh Lord have mercy, we live for the party. No, we no send nobody. I say we live for the party. Oh Lord have mercy. Hola, hola, we popping bottles. We making noise. Hola, hola, I hear me bubble. Hola, 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 select. They make my bubble. Oh, you know, bubble, you. She go use me back. Oh, you can't alone. Oh, you know, bubble, you. I say, no use me back. Oh, you see, tonight, me can't bother about nothing. This life, I cannot kill myself.